Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if drag and drop not working in Windows 11. If you're trying to paste something from drag and drop but it is not working, then in this video I'll show you how this issue can be fixed. So first you have to simply go to your desktop, and once you're there then you have to click onto this search bar option, and then you have to search for change your control setting options, something like that. You can add any keyword related to it and this option will appear. Now you have to move this cursor to top, and then you have to click onto this option, which is okay. And once you do it, you are changing the way the system works, so it will notify you whenever any change will be done. Then you have to open the command prompt but run it as administrator, and there you have to simply write sfc slash scan now. As you run this command, it will work in a way that it verifies if there's any issue, it will show you that. So here I have already run it, but if you want to run it again, you have to simply write sfc slash scan now, and it will run this verification for you. And after that the issue will get resolved. You only have to do a quick restart and you will see the drag and drop will be working. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.